What's the thing? Wow. And we are on road. Oh shit. Are you nuts? It works, it works. Oh. Oh shit. They have so much shit here. Something I need, man. A little roof I need for my house. No, okay. Amazing. Someone was drinking Red Bull and trashing around. Yeah. But be careful for knives. What is this sound, man? I never heard something like this, man. Look at this shit. It's louder and louder, isn't it? Man, what a shit, eh? Let's get around, eh? I'm not going up here, no fucking way. Fuck. So this house was up, you know? It fell all down, eh? And it's gonna keep on falling, eh? Ah, shit. They also have sofa right here. Look at this shit. Man, it's even louder here. What the fuck? Motorno olje, they say. Let's see what kind of motorno olje. It's not olje anymore. It became a hard substance. Wow. Wow. I thought it didn't fall apart. Weird. Go batsk. Now look at all the nails. Man, skis. Look at this shit. How much skis they have. What were they doing with this tire? Ah. Bitch. Look at this shit. I need this bitch to make my KTM, snow KTM. I was not skiing for so many years, man. I did it the last time when I was 14, eh? I got to start skiing again, man. Look at this beautiful, eh? And I'll have just ski like this, Elan, man, professional. Old school. Old school, man. This house is falling apart for sure. Go back where you came from. Another alcohol, yes. Okay, now, stair check. Not bad. Not bad. Stiff as a motherfucker, eh? Oh, good shit. Look at this. I'm standing. Whew. At least this table works. I hear biker. I think I'm enough far away off the road. You missed me, motherfucker. I was already afraid that, he's gonna call the police or something. There are hunters on bikes around here, man. You never know what you get, man. Man, this sound going wild, man. What is this shit? And I'm fucking sniffing around this shit. Oh. So the house is fully apart. Really locked. What now, man? I don't have Picer on me. The sound getting louder here. Yo. China help. Ruski in China always gotta do shit together, you know. This real project to get to weird sound, I hope it's something good at least. Žagarsko podjetje. You see, this is what Žagarsko podjetje do to the forest. They leave trashed house in middle of forest, so it is destroying the forest all around. You see, no trees here, no trees, only there 10 meters away. Motherfuckers, man. And they will say, bikers are the one, eh? The sound is real, man. Is it on the roof? Oh my god. What is this? Some sugar. Where is this coming from, man? Oh my god. Another fucking YouTube play button. Oh my god. It says my name. Why it is fucked up, man? It has some scratches. So this is where the sound was coming from. Beautiful. Oh, and it has a fucking message. We have some gasoline right here as well. Nice. Nice. Is it anything else here for me? Holy shit, man. Why I always have to find this shit by myself? Why they don't just send it to me on my address? Man, and what they did to my button. I look at this shit. It is twisted. You fuckers. Congratulations on 100,000 subscribers. Yes, you are late. Okay. You always leave us speechless. We never know what to expect from you. Will that be another ruined farmer's field or saving 40 kids out of burning autobus? Yes, true shit, man. So we gotta admit that your content is always on the edge of the boom. What that means, bro? Since we know you don't care about the money, not true, and you love to spend thousands of hours in education of other people for free, not true, we will probably demonetize your channel next month again. Are you fucking kidding me, man? Not again, man. Fucking 10 times, eh? Okay, thank you for bringing up bigger picture of community we live in nowadays. And we can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you in every step of the way. Yours sincerely, good lord. Okay, CEO YouTube, man. Motherfuckers are gonna demonetize me again, man. What did I do this time, man? Always some shit on fucking angry dirt bikers, man. Everybody around me angry, eh? But thank you very much for my play button. Let's go do the picture with bike.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back.
Hell yeah, you like my titty. Oh.
Bet I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with